Not la UFC 3 Orlando Pirates sanibona bafethu uvandelo. So namhlanje okhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibuka namhlanje. Okuyi game ade baluleke kakhulu kwi journey Orlando Pirates kule season le bafethu. Ade kuyi game yokuqala ye Champions League ade siyidlala kule season. Le game ade kuyi game ebaluleke kakhulu le kwi journey Orlando Pirates because abadlali abaningi ade beqala namhlanje ukudlala kwi Champions League. We saw Osuna Police beqala ngqa ukudlala kwi Champions League. We saw abosehlenduli nabo beqala ukudlala kwi Champions League. We saw abadlali abanje ko Dancing yabo nawo bebeqala bafethu ukudlala kwi Champions League but abajida badlalile badlalile namhlanje badlala kamnandi bangijabulise kakhulu indlela ade bedlala ngakhona yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje indlela Orlando Pirates approach ngakhona le game le. First and foremost ngizoqala nje ngeformation. Orlando Pirates indlela approach ngakhona iformation yale game. Lineup niyibonile ukuthi Orlando Pirates lineup kanjani. Emuva bidlalisa nga4 Mbokazi Siyema Lebitso and Dion Hot. Masukete Siswini Umbatha Umbuli Unduli Mfukeng Osuna Police and Mabasa Afran. Normally I'm not a fan of starting Osuna Police benomfukeng. Osuna Police adlale si right wing amasuthi Mfukeng adlale lapha ka left because leyo nto le ujwayele ungasebenzeli in most cases. Nisiboni Orlando Pirates first half indlela edlala ngakhona ayisebenzelanga. Ayisebenzelanga kahle Osuna Police kodwa for me he was very good first half Orlando Pirates. First half sithole amathuba amaningi. Team ithola amathuba amaningi but we didn't use those opportunities. Le game le ngabe mhlambe siwina ngo-6-0 ngabe siwina mhlambe ngo-7-0 because maningi ama opportunities Osuna Police awatholile engawasebenzisanga. Same as uMabasa first half umjida akhona amathuba awatholile umjida but awasebenzisanga. Ngabona nje uMabasa mfethu eze crosser ibhola umjida striker wal cross ibhola because i-service bengayitholi kakhulu naye umjida eboxini. So bekukhona ushintsho ucoach bekumela lenze. Yabo ni pitch ade dlala kuyona angifuni uqaba mama bafethu. I-pitch yase Soweto Stadium ayikho mnandi. iNigeria ikhala nje ngempela kufanele. I-pitch lapha eSoweto Stadium ayikho mnandi bafethu. Siyibonile Orlando Pirates ade ngakwazi ukudlala leli ibhola elijwayele elihamba phansi. Kosayazi phela Orlando Pirates ile team ekwaziyo ukumove ibhola. Siyibonile layo le-FC indlela eapproach ngakhona le game le layo le-FC ishaye ngemid block. Iyayazi Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukumove ibhola eswini. Njobe izomove ibhola eswini ibiyazi Orlando Pirates izodlala nje abadlali abanje ngombatha izodlala njengabadlali abanje ngosipho Mbuli. Lawo badlali labo ibona abadlali abajwayele ukubamba ibhola. So miyase ishaye ngemid block izokwazi ukuthi sinikeze ithuba lokuthi sidlale lama long ball. Njengoba siwadlala nje lama long ball baplanile vele ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi basimake yabo. So ucoach ngimthandela ubuhlani bakhe ayisiyo ukuthi ucoach ubeyibuka ngempela igame. Ngiyathanda ucoach abakanje bafethu ucoach aba involved kwi game hayo coach mfethu abashintsha ngoba sekuthanda bona. Iyona into ehlukanisa kakhulu uJose Rivero noAbdeslam Wadu. Abdeslam Wadu uyayibona inkinga asheshe ayiminimize. Uyayibona inkinga ayishesha ayiminimize. Last season we were very poor in terms of substituting ama players angadlali kahle. Umdlali mengadlali kahle umele akhishwe abekwe benchini. Namhlanje we saw iswini sethu first half bese ingekho mnandi sisethu. Yabo mina ngiyibonile leyo nto. Ngize ngasho egrouping nayo ngabatshela abajida ukuthi lapha eswini kumele kuphuma abadlali because they see ukuthi ibhola siyakwazi ukulimova. Kumele kukhishwe abadlali akumele sibe defensive against le team le because le team le iyona edefendayo. So thina akumele sibe defensive. Kumele sikhiphe abadlali aba defensive lapha eswini si-introduce abadlali abakwazi ukudlala. Yabo maybe si-introduce uMoremi, maybe si-introduce yabo umdlali nje mfethu ozo-eda leyo nto. Nangempela ucoach second half wa-introduce abani wa-introduce uMoremi. Yabo wa-introduce uMoremi wakhipha abani wakhipha uMbatha benosipho Mbuli. Leyo nto leyo i-allow Orlando Pirates ithathe lo mfana lo Mfukeng imfake ngaphakathi as number 10 masithatha uMoremi imdlalise ngale as right masithatha lo mjida lo uSuna Police adlale ngale ka left. Yabo kube naleyo nto leyo abadlali baye more eswini. Kube khona bani uNemtajela kube khona bani uDancing namhlanje bafethu that boy yabona uDancing bafethu he is young, he is underrated, nobody notices uDancing. Akekho umuntu omnaka uDancing abambona uDancing but indlela adlala ngakhona uDancing umjidi uyadlala bafethu. Yabo lo mfana lo usazoya kude namhlanje ngimbonile mfethu bekhipha uSipho Mbuli benombatha. I was a bit skeptical but I saw indlela adlala ngakhona umjida bafethu sazomdinga ngempela kule season. I hope uSelebe naye bafethu uzolithola bafethu ithuba because akukho mnandi umbona phela edlala yedwa uDancing. Yabo bekuzoba mnandi mhlawumbe simbona bem-introduce boba u2 but ke Nemtatshela naye is a good player. Umjidi watholile ama-minutes namhlanje. Yabo, I was happy to see uTsegofaso Mabasa scoring goals. I was happy to see him score i-brace. I was happy to see him score 2 games in a row. Umjida usescorile amagoli awu-3 kancane uyasondela leya top goal scorer Orlando Pirates, all time top goal scorer Orlando Pirates. Iyona izinto esithanda ukuyibona lezo bafethu. I-striker siba mnandi ngokukora amagoli. I-striker siba mnandi ngokukora amagoli. Kwi-history bakukhumbula ngokuthi wakora amagoli amangaki. Bakukhumbula ngaleyo nto. Indlela ayiposition ngakhona umjida, indlela akhahlela ngakhona iyonto engiyithanda ngoMabasa. uMabasa akacucuzi. uMabasa akacucuzi, afani angifuni umfanisa, angifuni baqhathanisa, badlala ngendlela engafani, but akafani njengoMakgopa. Uyakwazi ukukhahlela. Iyonto esiyidingayo le. Uyi-striker, khahlela phela. Kick the ball. We want you to kick the ball. Sasigcineni bafethu ukukora ngecorner kick. Sasigcineni nokora ngecorner kick. Pirates ayigcineni ukora ngecorner kick. Namhlanje sikorile ngecorner kick. Sikorile namhlanje ngecorner kick. Sasigcineni. Yabo, izona zinto lezo bafethu esifuna ukuyibona. Yabona namhlanje I saw a different Orlando Pirates. A different Orlando Pirates. This is not the Orlando Pirates I saw when we play against the Stellenbosch. Namhlanje I saw a different Orlando Pirates, especially second half. We were very, very, very good. We were very good. It's like I was seeing i-team edlala ku-Premier League indlela ade silimove ngakhona ibhola. Lebitso bafethu. uShandu kumele nje lapha athole i-seat belt kulela bench lakhe. Athole nje i-seat belt cause uLebitso ubuyile bafethu. Ubuyile uLebitso, kodwa ke into yaLebitso bafethu wathi wamncoma uvela limali. Inkinga yakhe lapho, once nje wamncoma uvela limali. So ngiyithandile squad rotation namhlanje. Ucoach ushayile squad rotation, into ehlezi sikhalela bafethu. Uthi team masiwina phela shintsha. Ucoach uyenzile ke namhlanje leyo nto leyo. Uyenze futhi early. Yabo, wabashintsha abadlali, wa-introduce abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Kuyinto esiyifunayo leyo. Hlezi ngibatshela abantu, squad rotation awukwazi ukushaya squad rotation uqalisa abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala ndawonye. You only do squad rotation i-game maseniyiwina. Maseniyiwina ke game, introduce new players bathi ukudlala. We saw uNdaba namhlanje edlala kamnandi umjida. We saw namhlanje uNemtatshela. We saw abadlali bafethu. uDlamini ke, for me uDlamini today I didn't see a lot of uDlamini. I wanted to see ukuthi uDlamini yabo usima kanjani, because when you look at the midfielders esinawo right now, it will be hard for him to get some game time for uDlamini. Kuzoba nzinyana ukuthi ayithole game time, but I didn't see a lot of uDlamini kwigame namhlanje. But ke when wangitshela ukuthi how did you feel kwigame namhlanje, yabo, ngokwakho, do you think Orlando Pirates memele wina ngamore? But for me I think memele swina ngamore. So amoshile amathuba, but ke 3-0 last game, 3-0 game elandelayo mele senze sure ukuthi futhi u3-0. Orlando Pirates le bafethu i-first prelim round esiyidlalile bafethu neLayoli FC.